In the news this week, Saudi Aramco signs 22 new MOUs and one joint venture agreement. NEOM invites bids for the construction of tunnels for the line. Eat Just has partnered with Doha Venture Capital. ASGC secures 12 kilometers of internal roads. Hassam Alam Holding has been awarded contracts worth $220 million in Egypt and more. Hi there, my name's Phil Higgins and this is the Ventures Onsite News Update for the second week of September 2021. Well, this week's news is brought to you by TGAC, a world-leading glass processing and aluminium fabricator. In 2020, TGAC commissioned their new factory in the UAE, a 14,000 square meter operation that's been purpose-designed to provide world-leading capability. A glass processing factory like no other in the region, with the capacity to process glass up to 12 by 3.3 meters, more than twice the capability of most other glass processing companies today. Well, Saudi Aramco has signed 22 new MOUs and one joint venture agreement focused on capacity building in 4 key sectors: sustainability, technology, industrial and energy services, as well as advanced materials as part of an industrial investment program, Aramco Namaat. The 22 new MOUs signed under the program include an MOU with Baosteel to conduct an engineering study to develop plans needed to build, own and operate an integrated steel plate manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia. 3 separate MOUs on engineering, procurement and construction with Samsung Engineering and Hyundai and Saipem. 5 MOUs for modular construction with AIC Steel, GSW, McDermott, Seyang and Sendan, and another MOU with NARMEL, among others. Well, Saudi Arabia's NEOM has invited bids for the construction of 31 kilometers of tunnels as part of the line, which is taking shape on its $500 billion mega city project. The line is billed as a 170 kilometer belt of hyper-connected future communities without cars and roads and built around nature. The tunnel is part of the line's infrastructure backbone, and the deadline for submitting bids has been set for the 30th of December 2021. Well, the American startup Eat Just has partnered with Doha Venture Capital and Qatar Free Zones Authority to construct what is the first ever cell-based meat factory in the MENA region. The new facility will be located in Al Khul Free Zone, and according to Eat Just, the new facility will primarily produce its Good Meat brand of cultured chicken, which was its first cell-based product to be sold on the market in Singapore back in December 2020. The UAE, Abu Dhabi Ports and French Transportation and Shipping Company CMA CGM Group have formed a joint venture and signed a 35-year concession agreement to develop and operate a new terminal at Khalifa Port. The terminal will be managed by a joint venture company, 70% owned by CMA Terminals and 30% owned by Abu Dhabi Ports. The partners are expected to commit about $154 million to the project, as announced by Abu Dhabi Ports. The construction will begin this year, and the project will be handed over in 2024. The terminal will have the initial annual capacity of 1.8 million 20-foot containers. In other news from the UAE local contractor ASGC Roads, Infrastructure and Marine Division won a contract from Dubai Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) for the construction of 12 kilometers of internal roads in the residential community of Nad Al Sheba 2. Hassam Alam Holdings has announced the award of a contract worth $220 million by the Egyptian Ministry of Transport to 2 of its subsidiaries to implement the construction works of 2 stations and 4 bridges for the high-speed train rail project. Hassam Alam Construction will build the new Al-Amin station and Wadi El Natroun station, while Hassam Alam Roads and Bridges will build 4 bridges in the same project. These will consist of 2 road bridges and 2 rail bridges. Well, as per the latest updates from Ventures Onsite Project Tracker, some of the major projects awarded to contractors in August 2021 include the Guggenheim Abu Dhabi on Saadiyat Island in the UAE, the Valley Project, also in the UAE, upgrade of JUBAIL Desalination Plant Phase 2 in KSA, King's College Hospital in Jeddah in KSA, flow lines and associated works in North Kuwait, new gasoline and jet storage facilities in MIC Qatar, just to name a few. You can find details to these projects and thousands more here at Ventures Onsite with the Ventures Onsite Construction Intelligence Tracker. Well, that's it for this week. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. We'd like to keep you up to date with the most recent construction news and all future developments here at Ventures Onsite. Well, we hope this news update has helped you stay informed so you stay competitive. My name's Phil Higgins, and this is Ventures Onsite Live.